In today's video, I'll show you how to hide participants in Microsoft Teams. If you're in a meeting and want a cleaner, distraction-free screen, especially while presenting or sharing your screen, hiding the participants panel is fast and easy. I'll walk you through 2 simple ways to do it and explain how each one works. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and join an active meeting. Once you're in the meeting, look at the meeting controls along the top of the screen. Find the People or Participants icon. It usually appears as 1 or 2 silhouette figures. This button acts as a toggle for the Participants panel. If the Participants list is currently open on the right side of your screen, clicking the People button will hide it. If the panel is hidden, clicking the same button will bring it back. Think of it like a switch. Click once to show the participants, click again to hide them. This is perfect when you want to quickly check who's in the meeting and then return to a clean view. The second method works when the participants panel is already open. With the panel visible on the right side, look for the small X in the upper corner of that panel. Clicking the X will immediately close the participants list. If you need to see the participants again, simply click the People button in the meeting controls to reopen it. This option is convenient when you're already viewing the panel and want to close it without moving your cursor back to the main toolbar. A few important things to know. Hiding the participants panel only affects your own view. It does not remove anyone from the meeting, mute participants, or change what others see. If you're sharing your screen, closing the panel can help reduce visual distractions and give more space to your shared content. If the meeting controls aren't visible right away, move your mouse or tap the screen to make them appear. The location of the People button and the X icon is generally the same in both the desktop app and the web version of Microsoft Teams. And that's it. 2 quick ways to hide participants in Microsoft Teams: use the People button in the meeting controls or click the X on the participants panel. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.